Hey everybody, I'm going to show you how to install Python on Mac and run your first Python program. To do this, open our browser and search Python download. Its official site, python.org. Follow this link and download the latest version for macOS. Now we have Python in our Mac. Close this window, and for the convenience of writing code, let's install the development environment. Usually Python code is written in Pycharm or Visual Studio Code. I'm going to show you how to install Pycharm because Pycharm is made specifically for Python. To do this, go to the browser and find Pycharm. Enter JetBrains.com, its official site of the developer company. Click Download Pycharm, and we need to select free community version. Choose our Mac version, Intel or Apple version, then click Download, save the installer in Applications folder, save, wait for the download to finish, and then double-click to install Pycharm. Drag it to Applications folder. I have the older version, I replace it. I need to close my Pycharm. Let's try again, drag it, replace, and it is installing. After that, we can find it in large pod, write Pycharm, and open our Pycharm. I'm sure you want to open it, and create your first new project. Click New Project. We can rename it, for example, First Project. We use Python 3, which we have downloaded and installed. Here we can choose manually from all versions of Python in our Mac. For example, I will use 3.11 version and then create. It's an initial code, we can delete it, delete this breakpoint, and let's write, for example, print hello codex coder, and let's run it. We can run the program by clicking on the Run button in the menu, or we can right-click and then choose Run Main or use shortcut for it. Select Run Main, and we have the result of our program. It's a text hello codex coder. Congratulate you, it's your first Python project. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for the watching. Like, subscribe. Have a nice day. Have a good coding. See you soon.